Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. Thank you so much for opening this video. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a golden opportunity for you. I am at Goshen St Elizbeth. Yes, and I'm standing inside a beautiful 2 beds, 2 bath home. Where is it? Genesis Manor. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, you want to have a look at this one. But if you want this and other great opportunities in real estate, remember to subscribe and do not go away. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you have been waiting for. Yes, this is what you've been asking for. St. Elizabeth has come alive. Introducing to you Genesis Manor. Ladies and gentlemen, this 24-hour secured housing development will feature 30 custom-built 2 beds, 2 bath. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you have been asking for. Yes. Goshen St Elizabeth. Just look at it. Spacious living, dining and kitchen. All for your comfort. Wow! Hardwood cabinetry. Complemented with granite countertops and double undermount sink. Ladies and gentlemen, I see oxtail and beans. Yes, stew peas and rice with a little pigtail in it. What do you see? All right, let's head on into the master. So we're inside the master bathroom right now. Is that an extended hose for your shower? Yes, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, you have everything in this bathroom. Beautiful cabinetry, ladies, for all your toiletries and your cosmetics. You get a full mirror. Wow. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, your home will be complemented by porcelain tiles. Yes. Porcelain tiles. AC unit. Recessed lighting. And look at that tray ceiling. Wow. Just imagine looking up at that every night. What else can you imagine? You get an ample closet space. Yes. And there's more. Yes, there's more. Do not go away. Let's look at the second bathroom. Just as fabulous as the first one. Wow, wow. Or should I say, even more fabulous than the first one. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the second bedroom. Still complemented by your porcelain tiles. You also have an AC unit. You still get the tray ceilings. You also get lots of closet space. Wow, just look at this laundry. Just look at it. Those of you who love to do laundry, it steps right out into the backyard. I'm seeing soursop tree, a mango tree, avocado pear tree, yes, Nesberry. I'm seeing a gazebo in the back. Those of you who want a gazebo, you can ask us, build you a gazebo, and you will pay just a little bit more. Ladies and gentlemen, I can see the landscaping in the backyard. Yes. Let's go through to your single car garage. Wow. Just imagine the GLA 250 Mercedes-Benz pulling up inside of this garage. I can see it now. Yes, I can see it. Okay, everybody. So let's head on outside. Do not go away. I should also tell you, your home will sit on a quarter-acre lot. Yes, a big quarter-acre lot. That's what you've been asking for. Your driveway will be complemented by interlocking bricks. And you will also get some starter landscaping. Yes. And of course, I know you will put in the other flowers here and there and make it yours. Ladies and gentlemen, I am inside Genesis Manor. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Look how big that house is. And it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Complemented by a single car garage. Ladies and gentlemen, there's more. Yes, there's more. Do not go away. There's more. You also get to enjoy a classy clubhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, the clubhouse will be complemented by a multi-purpose court and a fabulous swimming pool and gym. Oh, and did I tell you, your home also comes with a solar water heater and standby water tank. Wow, wow! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, this is where you want to be. The entire property is secured with walls and security. Yes, it's a perfect location, overlooking the mountains, eco-friendly environment, and the climate to live for. Ladies and gentlemen, who is going to call me? You want to call me right now? 876-292-6776. You should be dialing me right now. The numbers are across your screen. The application link is in the description below. Remember, I am in Goshen St Elizbeth. Ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to sitting on your veranda, sipping lemonade, drinking a red stripe beer. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where you want to be. I'll see you at Genesis Manor. Wow, wow.